Hello everyone, this is Eric. Welcome to my video on methods and parameters. So the first thing I did here was I created a world and I passed parameters for that world of 800 by 800, the first one being the X and the second one being the Y value to give me some space. And then inside of that world I created two turtles, one turtle named T, the other turtle named R. And I passed the parameter W to put both of those turtles inside of my world. Now I don't really like the default color of green that comes with the turtle, so down here I made two colors, one with the blue value being 255 at the end because it goes red, green, blue, and the second one having no color values, making it black. Now in the other panel I have written a method which I've called draw house, because the shape that I draw comes out to be kind of a house. And the first thing, I have it as this, so that way I can call each turtle to be able to do it regardless of the name. I have it set the pen width, which I'm able to set it to 5. And then the next thing that it does is it calls the turtle to go forward at whatever size that I tell it to. And then after that, the turtle, it goes 45 degrees and turns. Now, turning with the degrees is a lot more customizable than turning left or right. So you can use it and draw different shapes and make curves if you make small enough turns. The next thing that I do is I have my turtle go forward and I put size times 2. So whatever size that I come over into this panel and put, so 50, so now when I put that size by 2, it's going to go 100. After that I do a 90-degree turn, and then I do size by 2 again, which brings it back the other way at another 100. I do a couple more turns, a couple more forwards, and then down here I do a size divided by 3 because I needed a smaller space. And what this does is it takes that 50, divides it by 3, goes forward. And down here, we have some more turns and some more forwards. And then at the very bottom, we have this dot hide, which at the end, it hides my turtle. So now if we come over here, we have both of the turtles being called to set their color to the two colors that I've created up here. And then we have called each turtle to run the method that I created in my turtle.java file at two different sizes, so it kind of works a little different for each one. And then when we run it here, you can see that it creates two kind of house-shaped things, one inside of another. And you can see how the size times 2 creates these roof type things up here, and the size divided by 3 is used to create this door. And thank you for watching my video.